What's the meaning of aptly? Aptly. Aptly.
Aptly. Aptly. The word aptly means in a suitable or appropriate way. It implies that something has been done with the correct amount of skill, accuracy, or appropriateness. When something is done aptly, it fits the situation precisely, accurately, and effectively. The word emphasizes that there is a perfect match between what is being done and the circumstances in which it is being done. To summarize, aptly means to act or perform in a way that is suitable, fitting, and perfectly matched to a particular situation.